Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all a flip over quick weave using these Alipearl bundles that I got. So of course I'm starting off showing you everything that came in the packaging, and these are my bundles. I got 3 bundles in 22 inches, and I believe they are a wavy texture. I believe these are wavy texture. The links are in the description box below, but these are what the bundles look like. This is the full bundle. For the install, I did a normal braid down just straight to the back because I am doing a flip over method, so we had very minimal leave out. But for your kind of base, you're going to use the Morning Glory to protect your hair from the glue. Let that completely dry. It'll look like how my hair looks now. Then we're going to start adding our hair. So I'm just working my way up, as you guys are seeing. If you need a very detailed tutorial on how to do a quick weave, I do have them on my channel. This video, I'm more so focusing on the actual bundles. I wanted to give a bundle review for you guys, and I actually really enjoyed these bundles. So like I said, I'm working just up my head. I'm going straight across. So just straight across, and we're working our way up until I get to the crown, and then I'm going to change the way that I'm laying my tracks.
I can't smile, can't drink like a child, can't feel safe in this wide world without you. I can't go, can't disturb this flow, can't begin to know what I would do. I can't see, can't find strength to be, rather not be me without you. I can't deal, I can't even feel without you. I'm not.
So this is one full bundle. The hair is very, very nice, very full all the way to the ends. And I believe this is the wavy texture, but again, that is in the description box below for you guys. And here is 2 full bundles, so very, very full. And now that I'm at the crown of my head, I'm going to start laying the tracks a little bit differently. So instead of going all the way around, we're going straight across. I'm going to do a demo for you, just like this, straight across. And I'm just going to continue laying the tracks this way until I have maybe like an inch left of the cap. And then I'm going to start laying my tracks in the position for the actual flip over method. Okay, so now we are starting the actual flip over method. So I'm laying my tracks this way, and I'm laying them on the opposite side that I want my hair to be flipped on. So if I want my hair to be flipped on the right side, you're going to lay them on the left side so that you get that volume. I believe my hair, I like my hair flipped to the left, so I place my tracks on the right, and you do that all the way across. I know in my previous video I didn't show me going all the way across, so I tried to show you guys this time that I went all the way across. And now we've reached my favorite part of my install. I'm going to start styling my hair. So I'm just flat ironing my leave out first, and then I'm going to style the entire look. So I really love the bundles. They were already like pre-curled, so it was super easy to curl them again. But you guys are going to see just how nice the hair curled. The curls lasted very long as well. At night I would just put my bonnet on, and then sometimes I did do flexi rods, but even with me just wearing a bonnet, the hair held up really well. I worked out with this hair, didn't have any issues. I worked out outside with the hair, didn't have any issues. So of course, if you tie your hair up at night, it's going to be a lot easier to maintain the hair. But all in all, I think these are really good bundles for the price, of course. So definitely check them out. Like I've said before, the links are in the description box below. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask as well. And thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like the video if you like it, of course, and subscribe to my channel because I'm going to have even more tutorials coming very soon. So thanks again for watching, and I cannot wait to see you all in the next one.